Hi, I'm Sean with Maneful, and we're making drinks at home. Today we're going to be doing a paper plane. Paper plane is a bourbon-based drink made with equal parts bourbon, Aperol, Amaro Nonino, and lemon juice. So today we're going to be using for our bourbon Basil Hayden's. And Amaro Nonino, if you haven't seen it before, comes in this little bottle here. It is a really delicious herbal liqueur. I recommend trying it sometime, but it's definitely one of the best features of the paper plane. So we're going to start today by just combining all of these ingredients into the shaker. So we'll start with the bourbon. This is an equal parts cocktail, so it's going to be 3/4 of an ounce of each of the ingredients. So I'm going to do 3/4 of an ounce of bourbon, then 3/4 of an ounce of the Aperol. Aperol is a bitter liqueur similar to a Campari, but it's got more orange notes than a Campari. It's not as bitter as you'd get with a Campari. Do 3/4 of an ounce of Aperol, and then 3/4 of an ounce of the Amaro Nonino. Like I said, this is a herbal liqueur made in Italy. It is fantastic. They also make a lot of different types of grappa. So if you're a grappa fan, it's worth checking out their stuff. And we're going to finish with 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. So I've got my lemon here. I'm just going to cut this in half and then just put it into my trusty juicer. One thing about these juicers, it looks like you should put it in like this because it fits in nicely, but you actually need to put it in like this because what you're going to do is you're actually going to squeeze the lemon kind of inside out in order to get all the juice. So we're going to squeeze 3/4 of an ounce here. Almost, but not quite. All right. And then we'll add it to the mixing glass here. And then now that we've got all 4 of the ingredients in the mixing glass, we're going to add the ice and we're going to shake it up. So I'm probably going to put in, I don't know, 4 or 5 ice cubes here. Then I'm going to take my Boston shaker tin, give it a smack, and give it a shake. All right. We are good there. Give it a smack. All right, and then I'm going to take my strainer, and I'm going to be straining this into a coupe glass. Any glass with a stem is fine, a martini glass, a coupe glass. And there we have it. It's this beautiful kind of orange-red color from the Aperol. And let's give it a shot. It's fantastic. The paper plane has like this refreshing notes to it, but it's also kind of bitter. It's a little bit sweet, but not too sweet. And so I definitely recommend checking it out. You need some specialty ingredients for this one. The Amaro Nonino is something that most people don't have laying around, but it's a fantastic Amaro to purchase. So I recommend trying it. If not at home, try it at a cocktail bar sometime. The paper plane. And what do I say as a sign off? I can't remember. Do I say anything as a sign off?
You can say learn more at maneful.com or subscribe to our Instagram, Facebook profiles. Make sure you don't miss any of our videos.